Hey, what's up? It's Philip, and today we are going to learn some JavaScript. This is a beginner level tutorial, so we will show this pop-up window that will say, "Hello friend, welcome to JavaScript." And every time you refresh it, you will get this pop-up window. So let's get started. Okay, let's now create our HTML file. I'm using this Visual Studio Code, and this editor is very practical. If you never use it, I will give you a link in the description, and it's very good to use if you are planning on programming in JavaScript. So let's go with the file. I will create this new text file, and it will ask me a language. So I click language, HTML, like this, and it will automatically create the HTML file. So we go Control Save, and we will save on our desktop. This will be our test file, and we will open it when we are done. Okay, now let's type in our code. You have this autofill functions, which is very handy. So just type in doctype HTML. This doctype HTML is just the way we tell the browser, hey, this is a HTML document, and every page has this at top. So let's go further. We open our tag HTML and close it, and it will automatically create our closing tag, which is very nice, so you don't forget to close this. So we can push this a little bit down, and now we define our HTML page by typing HTML. Next tag is our head, and close it. Inside this head tag we will put important information like the title of the page. So let's add a title of a page, title, and the title will be my first JavaScript. And this is what shows up in the tab when you open it in your browser. So if we save and go over here and click open, you can see it on top over here, my first JavaScript. Okay, let's leave this open. Let's create our body tag. This will be our body, and we will put all the important information over here, like text, images, and buttons. Create one heading. This heading will say hello world. Make sure to save often so you don't lose your progress. Okay, now we have our basic website, and let's add some JavaScript to make it interactive. To add JavaScript to this page, we need to use something called a script tag. Think of the script tag as a little container where all our JavaScript code will go. I'm going to write it just over here. Just before the body tag, we will type in script and close it. In the JavaScript, there's something called an alert, and it's a function that makes a little box pop up with a message in it. So let's write our message inside alert. Okay, type in alert. We already have it over here. And now open and put like this, and type inside hello friend, welcome to JavaScript. Alert is a special command that tells the browser to show a pop-up message. And hello friend, welcome to JavaScript, this is a message that will appear in the box. It's a string, which is just a fancy word for the text in programming. Notice how we put the message inside the double quotes, and this is important. It tells JavaScript this is text, no code. So make sure to put text inside these double quotes. And don't forget, usually I forget, everyone forgets, to put this semicolon. This is like a period at the end of the sentence. It tells JavaScript that we are done with this command. And believe it or not, we are done, so just click save and go back to open your JavaScript and hit F5 or hit over here to refresh. And if you refresh, you can see this page says, hello friend, welcome to JavaScript. Click OK. And click again F5. And it will say again, hello friend, welcome to JavaScript. And this is it, a very easy way to add some alert to JavaScript. And if you find this helpful, I'm planning on doing more these simple JavaScript tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.